All right, this is a review of the BOSE QuietComfort 35-2. Can you go ahead and leave a like at the bottom of the page, as well as subscribe, and also check out the description. I can show you where you can find these headphones at. So this is the 1 month review of these headphones. Now, I do like them. They're great. One thing I like about them is, like, always keep them in there. You're paying like a lot of money for these headphones. You keep them in the case. I do like the case. The case protects them, keeps them from getting dinged up and banged up. And I like how they fold in and fold out. Now with these headphones, oh, there's a little scuff right there. Got to get that off. What is that? It's just a little scuff. So like with these headphones, what I like after a month of using them is the comfort of the pads right here. These pads sit comfortably over your ears. It's the winter months where I'm at right here, and it's kind of cold, so these actually are really comfortable. And I can imagine in the summertime, or if you're in the gym or something, that these may become a little bit hot. I haven't experienced that yet because I don't work out with these headphones because they're just too nice to be in a gym and that kind of environment. And it's not the summertime yet, so I don't know how hot and uncomfortable these will be in the summertime. But for the wintertime, these are perfect as far as like comfort. I'm not sweating at all in them. So there's a couple of things I want to talk about with these. Well, one is the Bluetooth capability, the phone capability, and the actual noise canceling. As you see on the side of these headphones, they have this little switch right here, and the switch actually turns on, activates the Bluetooth, and then to pair it up to a Bluetooth device, you just slide it over there, and then you do the pairing with your actual Bluetooth device. And it's relatively easy, and when you turn it off, you have to remember to turn it off. Because if you don't, the batteries will drain. And there's a couple of times where the batteries did drain. And when they're on, the green light comes on to indicate that it's on. So one thing that I wish that these headphones had was an automatic turn off switch. I guess like if you're not moving around for like an hour or so, I wish they would turn off. Because there's been several times where I've kept this on and it's actually just drained my headphones. Okay, now the headphones, they last a long time, so luckily, like I'm not too in a bad situation when that happens. So that's one feature to look out for. And then also down here, it has the controls by the ear. Now I like this. I mean, the buttons are really secure firmly. They're not cheaply made. It's simple, right? Okay, you have your volume down and your volume up on this side. And then like the button in the center, it's similar to how an iPhone headphone works. You tap it once, it's for play. Tap it once, it's for stop. Tap it twice, you skip to the next song. Tap it 3 times, and it comes back to the beginning of the song. And the reverse fast forward works the exact same way, except for you press to fast forward it, you press it twice, and then on the second tap, you hold it down and it'll fast forward to the song. If you want it to reverse through the song, on the third tap, hold it, and it will rewind. So that's that. And then on the other side, there's a button that is the actual noise canceling. Now this is kind of useful. When I have noise canceling going on, I usually have it on high. So the headphones are automatically set to high when you turn. The noise canceling is automatically set to high when you have it on, so you don't have to worry. But if you want to set noise canceling to low or either off, you just simply press it once to turn it down to low, and then you press it again to turn it to off, and then press it again to turn it back up to high. Now, I haven't really, used it other than for the high function or the off function. I usually have it on the off function when I'm walking around the street so I can hear cars and people coming by. And I have it on the high function when I'm on an airplane because it really takes out the sound. I haven't had it on the low function other than experiment, but I'm waiting for a situation where I can use that. I don't see that happening, but that's pretty cool. So that's after 1 month. I really like it. I really like the controls and everything. To talk on the phone with Bluetooth, it's really good. I mean, it's just like you turn the noise canceling on and it cancels out all the exterior sound or most of the exterior sound, and you're able to hear your calls a lot clearer. The quality of the headphones is superb. Now, if you're listening to something in high quality on your phone or whatever, you will not be disappointed. The quality is superb, very crystal clear. you know, the only way you can get anything as crystal clear is to get some more expensive headphones, the kind that they have in the studios. But I don't see myself ever getting any of those like that. But these are some really good headphones. And after a month, I still like them. They're still holding up. They're not broken. And one thing about them, though, it's because they're so expensive, I actually take more care of them. And after each use, I always fold them and then put them, actually got to turn it off. See, I left it on, right? And I put them back in their case, just like that. Now that's how you use the headphones. Let me know if you have any questions. That's my 1 month review. Thanks a lot for watching.